Hello everyone, welcome to Crochet World. Today in this video, I am going to share you some tips about how to make crochet fruits item. So let's get started the video. Number 1. Basic crochet fruit patterns. Begin with basic fruit shapes like apples, orange, bananas, strawberries, and lemons. These shapes are relatively simple to create and can serve the building blocks for more intricate designs. Number 2. Texture and color. Pay attention to the texture and the color of the fruits you are trying to replicate. Use different shades of yarn and crochet techniques such as changing stitches or adding surface crochet to mimic the textures of the fruit's skin. Number 3. Embroidery details. Add embroidery details such as shades, spots, or textures vibrant to make your crochet fruits look more realistic. For example, use blank yarn to stitch seeds onto a crocheted strawberries or water lemons. Number 4. Size variation. Experiment with different sizes of your crochet fruit items. You can create large fruit pieces as a decoration or small ones as keychains or freight magnets. Number 5. Crochet fruit bowls. Crochet a bowl shape base and fill it with crochet fruits for a cute and functional fruit bowl decoration. Number 6. Amigurumi techniques. Utilized amigurumi technique to create a surface crochet fruits with 3-dimensional shapes. This can involve increasing and decreasing stitches strategically to achieve the desired shape. Number 7. Mixed fruits pattern. Combine different fruit patterns to create unique arrangement. For example, you can crochet a fruit basket with a variety of fruits spilling out. Number 8. Fruit asynchronize. Incorporate crochet fruits motifs into anchronized likes, hats, service, or bags for a whimsical touch. Number 9. Crochet fruit garland. Stirring together crochet fruits to make a colorful and playful gradient to decorating a kitchen or play area. Number 10. Seasonal terms. Create crochet fruits that are seasonal or holiday termed. For example, crochet pumpkin, apples, and pears for fall of charmers ornaments in the shape of cashew fruits. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.